Welcome to Getting Started in the Lab. The first thing you want to know, there are two places to log in every day. First is your class link, and the second is the Creative Learning Systems app. To make it really simple, we place both of them right here on your desktop. Once you're logged into your WASD account, you want to access Teams, which is right here in your dashboard. That's going to give you access to your journal that you're going to work on every single day. Now that we're logged into Teams, this is what a basic dashboard looks like. You have two places that you can access your assignments. The first one is in the Conversations piece, which is going to show up here, and the second one will be up in Assignments if you don't see it in your Conversations, and that's listed right up at the top here. Now that we're logged into Teams, we want to make sure that we're logged into our Smart Lab Launchpad. The login information is the username LVIS and the password Learn1. Once we type that in and we get logged in, it might ask us to save something. We don't want to. We're going to go to Liftoff Challenges. That's on our Smart Lab Launchpad here, and that's going to give us access to everything that we need. Once logged into our Smart Lab, we want to look at Liftoff Challenges. This is where everything that we need is going to be. Once we log into that, we'll see an orientation that can get us started, and then we're going to see the different categories of things that we can explore. We're going to get started with mechanics and structures here. You'll see all the different things listed under this category. We're going to choose a simple connects project to get started with. Once you get logged in, you're going to see 4 tabs at the top. There's your challenge, there's what you should know, what you should do, and then extend yourself. The Your Challenge is your basic introduction. You're going to see a little bit of background information and what you should be doing with this project. Once we've gone through the Your Challenge, we can get into the What You Should Know, and this is going to give you all the background information on your project. Things that you might need to know in order to use your project, or ideas that you would need to know in order to make your project happen. It's not really a whole lot of information, but it's definitely extremely valuable to read. After that, we get into the most exciting portion. This is the Do-It-Yourself tab. This is going to give you your challenge and what it actually is. This, for example, is to build an incline plane machine so you can show how incline planes make work easier. Then it's going to give you some other background information, things that you can work with, ideas of simple machines or complex machines. Then we get to the very bottom. It's going to give the overall idea of what your goal should be. If you find yourself done with your project, there's an Extend Yourself portion, which has a section of more projects that you could do in your given topic or other things that you can continue to learn. Remember, there's 2 things that you need to be logged into when starting with the lab. There's your class link and there's your Creative Learning Systems dashboard. Both of these are extremely important, but they're the first 2 places you should go every single day.